The Epson PowerLite L530U is a projector designed to deliver high performance in large spaces. Whether it's for classrooms, boardrooms, auditoriums, or professional events, it combines brightness, color accuracy, and durability to create an impressive projection experience. With 5,200 lumens of color and white brightness, the L530U ensures your images are vivid and clear even in well-lit rooms. You won't have to worry about washed-out visuals or dim projections. Everything from detailed presentations to high-definition videos appears crisp and easily visible from anywhere in the room. One of the standout features is Epson's 3 LCD technology. This system guarantees accurate, vibrant colors without the distracting rainbow effect seen in some single-chip projectors. Images look natural and consistent, whether it's a high-resolution video, charts, or detailed graphics. Skin tones, whites, and colors maintain their true accuracy across every frame. The projector's WUXGA resolution, 1920 by 1200, provides full HD clarity with additional vertical space for wide-format content. Text remains sharp and legible, images maintain fine detail, and widescreen content displays beautifully, making it ideal for presentations, design work, and cinematic visuals. Flexibility in installation is another strength. With a 1.6x optical zoom, horizontal and vertical lens shift, and keystone correction, setting up this projector is simple. Whether mounted on a ceiling, placed on a table, or integrated into a media cart, adjustments can be made quickly to achieve perfect alignment without moving the projector. The L530U uses a laser light source rather than a traditional lamp. This brings up to 20,000 hours of maintenance-free operation, eliminating the need for frequent bulb replacements. Instant-on and instant-off capabilities mean no waiting for the projector to warm up or cool down. Perfect for tight schedules or frequent usage. Connectivity options are extensive. The projector includes HDMI, VGA, HDBaseT, USB, and network control inputs. Wireless screen mirroring allows devices like laptops, tablets, or smartphones to display content without extra cables, adding convenience in dynamic work or learning environments. The design is sleek and professional. The matte white finish is understated yet stylish, blending seamlessly into modern spaces. Despite its brightness, the projector remains quiet, thanks to an efficient cooling system that prevents overheating without creating distracting noise. Eco-conscious features make it even more appealing. The Eco mode reduces power consumption while maintaining excellent brightness, helping organizations save on energy costs without sacrificing performance. Overall, the Epson PowerLite L530U delivers reliable brightness, excellent color performance, and long-lasting laser technology. It is built for professionals and institutions that require consistent, high-quality projection in large spaces. Whether for business, education, or entertainment, this projector offers top-tier performance and ease of use in one package. If you want to buy this Epson PowerLite L530U Long Throw 3 LCD projector, please visit the link provided in the description.